Hello, welcome to TechSharmit. In this session, we will cover further values from RTVSYSVAL command. So in order to explain the same, I am taking the program in edit mode. Here you can see that we have declared three variables related to time. Okay, and these variable you can declare by referring IBM official website. And once your variable is declared, then you can directly use RTVSYSVAL command. So just simply write RTVSYSVAL and then press F4. Now on this screen you are supposed to pass two parameters. First one is the value which you want to retrieve from the system, and second one is the variable where you want to hold the output. Now if you want to learn more about these values, then you can press F1 here on this field, and once you press F1 it will open a help screen for you where you will find description of all the values, system values. So in short, you can say that this is a help window where you will find the information regarding all the possible outcome that we can retrieve from by using RTVSYSVAL command. So from here you will get the information and then you can directly use it inside your program. So these are the value that we have already covered in our previous session. So I'm directly taking you to the value that we are going to discuss today, which is QTIMSEP. It means time separator. Changes made to the system value take effect for jobs started after changes made. So basically this will uh, provide the time separator value. Now next one is Q time zone. Time zone. This specifies the name of the time zone or description used to calculate local system time. A change to a different time zone description may result in a different offset that is associated with this new time zone description. A different offset would cause the local uh, time to change to change. In addition, the system value Q QUT offset will be changed to match this new offset. Changes made to the system value take effect immediately. So this is about Q time zone. Now the next one is QTOTJOB, the total number of jobs for which server must be allocated. Changes made to the system value take effect the next time the jobs tables are rebuilt during the IPL. So this is all about the information. Now we will simply hit enter, and here we will pass the first value, means the value which we want to retrieve from the system, and the parameter where we want to hold the output, and then simply hit enter. Likewise we are retrieving the other two values. Okay, so once we got the value, now we will print it. So for printing I'm using sndpgmsg command. So just write sndpgmsg and then press F4, and just inside that you can pass your variable directly if it is already character. If it is not character type, then you can convert it using %char built-in function, because this command only accepts the character value. So I'm using %char, and then simply hit enter. So after that what it will do, it will print the values. Now it's time to save and exit. Let's compile it and see the output. So it is compiled successfully. Now I'm calling this. So first output is colon, which is time separator. Second one is the time zone, and third one is the number of jobs, total active jobs. Okay, so this is how we can utilize RTVSYSVAL command to retrieve the information from the system, to retrieve the system values. I hope this session is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching TechSharmit.